Hey, today I'm going to show you an exciting development we have from Idexo. It lets you embed AI-generated NFTs into your lead forms. So let me go ahead and show you an example. I've got this form. It's just actually a hosted HubSpot form, but you could embed these fields into your forms and not just HubSpot, Shopify, Google Forms, etc. So I'm entering the my email, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste my address and my wallet address. So this is the wallet address that the NFT will mint to. And now I'm going to put in a prompt for the AI to create the image that will go onto the NFT. So a cartoon of a tutorial video being given describing an AI and NFTs. Pretty vague, but let's go ahead and do it. Boom. Now that has submitted the form. And what's happening behind the scenes is that is going through an Idexo integration. Here you can see this template shows it with Google form. Obviously, you just saw it on HubSpot. And what happens is it's taking the response, it's generating an image through OpenAI, and it's sending that to Idexo to mint the NFT with that image to a contract that you've created then in Idexo. So I've got my app.idexo.com project running here in my account. As you can see, I've got a project created called Zapier Tutorials. When you view that, you can see that I've got a number of contracts that I've created. And the one I'm looking for is this OpenAI NFTs. So you can see if I edit that, it's not possible to edit this anymore as it's been deployed. But you can see the settings that I gave it. OpenAI generated, symbol of OAG, chose Polygon as the chain and Arweave as the metadata storage. And then I deployed that. You can see it then under my contracts. It's right here. And you can see that when I create the NFT, it will then show up here under the Block Explorer. So you can see, a few minutes ago, I minted this NFT. You can see that it's got the OpenAI generated, and indeed the symbol OAG here. So now how could I, see the NFT? Well, there are different ways you can see it in OpenSea if you wanted. One other way here, let me just pull in our token gating website. So we have this site here. I've connected my wallet that I minted it to. Here's already a couple of NFTs. If I hit refresh, it's going to pull up the NFT that I had just minted. And this can be obviously done on ours. Wow, that's interesting. So here's its interpretation of a cartoon of someone, talking about AI and NFTs, and that's the NFT image itself. So that's done on our sort of community token gating site. You can just as well create your own hosted, custom branded version of this using the same app.idexo.com. And you can actually test out a version of this form right away today if you go to the Swords of Blood loot box NFT sale. We've embedded a prompt form in that whitelist form. If you're watching this later, you can get in touch with us and find out what other forms you can use to test. So thanks for listening, and look forward to see what you guys create with this.